Hi everyone, my name's Stacy Lee. I'm currently teaching this semester Social Welfare Policy 1 online. Welcome to our class. In the interest of full disclosure, this is my first time teaching this class online. I have taught it in person in the classroom in Camden a few times. So we will all learn this new journey of online together. And have patience with me, and I'll have patience with you, and we'll survive this semester. So a little about me. I've been a social worker for about 18 years. I'm an LSW, and I'm currently the Director of Operations at a program called Life at Lourdes in Pensacola, New Jersey, where we work with the frail elderly. Their age is 55 and over, and they are medically and psychiatrically complex patients who live in the community. I am a director, like I said, so I have a lot of work and involvement with the policy, federal, state, and local government policies that govern our programs like policies like Medicaid, Medicare, things like that. So hopefully that'll be beneficial to you all this semester as we work through this coursework. Please, I look forward to your introductions, and if you have any questions about me, don't be shy and don't hesitate. Thank you so much.